Hello children, let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, green color, yellow color, blue color. Alphabets. A for ant, A for ant. B for boy, B for boy. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. Z for girl, Z for girl. H for hen, H for hen. I for ink, I for ink. J for joker, J for joker. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Red color, square, green color, circle, orange color, triangle, yellow color, heart, brown color, star. A for ant, B for boy, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, Z for goat, H for hen, I for ink, J for joker. Shape square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.